Alright, here's a 3D print on fabric in action. Here the first layer has paused. We have our black illusion mesh that we'll place on top and place the magnets around it. I'll resume the print. The hot end will heat back up to 220 degrees, and in the meantime I'll show you again the magnet placement around the perimeter. And when this drops back down, you'll see the plate go up a little bit as the hot end moves towards the center of the build plate and resumes the print. See it passing by the magnets that we've placed. And as soon as that prints this layer, I'll remove these two magnets so it doesn't collide at the end of the print. All completed. I'll cut them apart. And the final product.